Hello everyone, welcome back to Broccoli Master YouTube channels. In today's video, I will show you how can you connect your Bootstrap admin dashboard with your Django project. As you know that dashboard plays one of the major roles for the analysis of the post views based on our particular blog post. I already made a video how can you create your own professional blog website. If you have not watched that video, I will give the link of that video in the description below. You can just go there and click on it and watch that video. So without wasting your time, let's begin it. For creating the interface of Bootstrap admin dashboard, let's create a blog app named dashboard. Python -.py start app dashboard. Here our dashboard have created. Now we also need to integrate this app in our setting. Go here and name it as dashboard, and also create the URLs here. Path dashboard include and the dashboard URLs. So these are the settings to integrate our app in our project. Now let's get here URLs file urls.py, and let's copy this all from here. We don't need this. Let's copy it from here and paste it again here. What things are not needed, we just remove it. So here defining views dot dashboard, again name dashboard from dot put views. Here, let's remove it. Now we need to get the views.py file here. Let's get it. Dev dashboard request done. Let's first check it, is it working or not. This is the listing of dashboard. Let's run our local server. Python -.py run server. Now checking it, opening our local server, and here again refresh it. So finally we are seeing this is working fine. Now integrate the Bootstrap admin interface here. So for it, let's get the template file here. Let's get the folder dashboard, and on this folder we will implement our template files. And statics file here, again make one folder named dashboard. Okay, now let's implement all this file here. So I'm just copying and pasting it here. I will provide a link in the description so you can easily go and download it and do the same as that I'm doing here. So here on this folder I am copying this. Okay, I will also going to keep the static file here. Simple copy and pasting it here. Let's copy it and paste it here. Okay, we have done with that. Let's get the file name dash-base.html file. In this dash-base.html file, we will copy all the similar things that are in our dashboards. Like on the nav bar and the footer part is nearly same. So we just copy that and paste it here. So this is our index.html files. We will copy all the similar things from here. So let's scroll it, and we are seeing here I think from here everything is similar. So let's copy it and paste down here. So again, right block body, here's the body section. So we also again copy let's change the name here from index to dash.html, so that we are not getting the confused from index.html and same things. So again we will now take the footer part that are similar to that. So here from here we will just copy it and let's paste it here. I'm done with that. Now let's first check it by running this template file. Render request, and dashboard file name is dash.html. Okay, let's check it. Okay, now we're seeing that this file is rendering, but we have not connected this file with the CSS. So let's get this with the CSS file. on the dash.html file, and here dash base we get connect every JS and CSS file it here. Let's first click it here, send static. Again alt and select all the file. By clicking alt we can easily select multiple line, percentage, include it, and also this file is on the dashboard folder. So let's define it here, dashboard. We're done with the JS. Now let's connect the CSS file. So these are our CSS file. Again, this all things are in our dashboard folder. So again, static, and also send this. Now we finally get this both file. Now let's check it again, working or not. Oh, we are seeing that it's not working. I think we need to first extend our this.html file. So this file are in the dashboard folder, name dash.html file. Now let's load the static file again and put all this file in the body section. First copy it and paste it here. Okay, we have done with that. Now here again we need to load our static file. So let's, okay, everything is fine. Let's try it again. Okay, finally we are seeing that our dashboard is successfully run. We will also customize or change our name of this to our necessary title. Let's change it here on a dashboard section. Now let's change the name of this to our total views, and we don't require paste $sign, so just remove it. And here we need total comment, here total post. Okay, so we don't need this pending request, so just remove it from here. Now we're done with that. Let's save it. Okay, now again checking it, refresh it. Okay, now it's fine. Similarly, let's customize our this blog post sections. Just remove and extends our best dashboard and base.html file, dash.html. Okay, again load this static files and block body. Put this file on the block sections. Let's cut it and paste down here. So here we have not removed this footer part, so let's remove it. Okay, let's paste it. We have done with that. Let's change the name blog post to blog dash blog. Okay, dash blog.html files. So we have done with that. Similarly, let's change on comment section. So where is the ending point? Here's ending point, in the topper. Let's select it. Extends our dashboard and dash this HTML file. Again, load our static file, put it on the body section, just cut it, and we also remove this footer section. So here is the starting of the footer. Yes, this is done. Comment section is done. So we will correct this spelling, comments. Okay, here is also start section. So we will do the similar thing here. Just scroll it down. So this is our end of the toppers. So let's again remove it here. Extends our base HTML file, dashboard dash base HTML file. Okay, I've done with that. Now again load the static file. We have done this again, block body, just cut it and remove the footer part. So here is the footer part. Just cut it, paste over this. Now everything is fine. Hope this will work. Similar do with the page section. Just scroll, and here is the top part. Let's cut it and also extend this file dashboard dash HTML file. Again, load the static. Put this file on the blog body section. Just remove now footer sections. So here is the footer section. Just copy it, paste down it here. Okay, finally we have done with all these things. So let's check it. Refreshing the page. Okay, but we have not get our views functions. So let's again get the views functions of it. Def blog request down render request and dashboard this blog.html file. Similarly do with the comment sections. Comment request down render request this dashboard comment.html file. So here's the s comments. So just put it comments here, and here's a dash blog. So we need to define it here as a dash blog, otherwise it will throw the error. Similarly for the page, let's define it here. Request down render request, and this is our on the dashboard page.html. So finally we have done with that. Now again let's check it's working or not. So we also need to define this URL section. So let's define it. Let's and blog and this views.blog name equal to blog dot here blog. Okay, similarly do with that comment sections, comment on the inverted comma in comment views dot comment name equal to comment. Okay, finally we have done with that again. Now let's check it's working or not. Let's refer to it, and here blog post. Okay, we also need to join this page with that URL. So let's define it on the this section, where is our dash base HTML file here. Now defining it, now linking this page here is the comment. So just dashboard comment. Again here is the blog post.html file. Put the dashboard app name. Again the URL name blog. Okay, finally blog comment and the page. Again we'll define here dashboard and this. Still many more. Let's check it. Okay, now everything is fine, and here is also index.html file. So just remove it here, and we will put the name dashboard. So again check it working or not. Let's remove it and blog post. Okay, now everything is working fine. So let's paste the data from our admin panel. So let's defining the functions of it here on this section dashboard. So first we need to define the total views from our blog post. So let's here we will write total views equal to blog objects aggregate. Okay, first we need to render that file from dot home import all the model file or import all. Here we need to define from home dot models. Okay, here is the home, everything is in capital, so let's make it capital. Now it will import aggregate, and we will count the total views equal to from views, and again count the total views. So this function will count all over the total views from every blog post and will render this file to our dashboard. And here's a total command dot objects dot count. We will also count the total comment from each blog post. Now we will also total posts equal to count the total post. Objects dot count. Again, post is equal to blog dot objects. We are defining this for render hour or fetching the data of our blog post. So this -id will show our post according to our in a ascending order or in our latest post. So let's define it in the context. Total views. We are getting this dictionary that we are already read in the Python section. Total comments, and total post will be the semicolon. Okay. Total posts. So again, there is the post. Okay. Finally, we have defined it. Now also this context file. We're done with the dashboard sections. So let's first check either we have defined this view sections in our models or not. Let's check on the models file. So here finally we have defined it. Views. Similarly, let's define for the blog section post equal to blog dot objects dot order by -id. So latest first it will show the latest post that we have made, and then again context equal to get a dictionary for it. Sorry, here post and post. So data define here context. Okay, similar define on the comment sections. So all comments equal to comment dot objects dot select related. Okay, post, it must be so with the date, order by latest date. So again put it on the dictionary, all comment, all. Okay, I've done with that. Again enter this file on the text sections. So finally we have defined this dashboards, blog and comment sections. Similarly, you can also define the sections, page sections. I am leaving this page for you. You will try it and comment below if you have made this or rendered this file. So now it's time to define the HTML file. So I open this HTML file. Sorry, here's the dash file, and we will change everything that is required for fetching our data. So here is our blog section. So from here, and this image is taking from this, and this is our, let's invite this and zoom it there. This is dash HTML files. So let's find it from this here for post in post and this section. So here is the info, and first we need to render our image from our blog post. So let's render it, post dot image dot url. Okay, and this is our title section. So let's remove this, and I also find the title section. So post dot title, this is not required, so let's remove it. This is our date, publishing date. So we just here find our date, post dot date. Also define here the author name, remove it, defining the post dot author. Again we don't dislike sections, define the views here. So for it, right here post dot views, and for comments, post dot comments dot count. It will count all the comment. First, let's check it's working or not. Okay, we're fetching some error. Sum is not defined. In the URLs, we have not defined the sum. So let's the views function find the sum. Let's import, and finally I think this will work. Let's check it. So finally we are seeing that we have here's our blog post from our blog website. So let's fetch everything that is needed here. So again, make the changes from here dash stl file. Okay, so also define the total views here. The total views define like this, so it will direct for the total views in our post. And here's the comment sections, so we need also define the total comments. Okay, we have done with that. Okay, and there is a total posts, so write it here, total posts. Okay, let's check it, data is working or not. Okay, fine, it is render. And for this we need to import the chart sections JavaScript file here. For rendering these chart sections, I have written the JavaScript file, so you just copy and paste it there, and as you require you can change it there. So I am just copying this source of code and pasting it here. So let's just copy it, and we will paste here in the end of the content. Okay, I've done with that. Okay, to chat, this is our first chat sections, and this is our second chat sections. And here we need to define the total views, total comments, and total posts, and we will fetch the data from there. Okay, similarly in another chat we need to do the same things, that is required there. So let's check it's working or not. I'm refreshing it. Okay, finally we are seeing that it's working. Total views 1, total posts is 2, and everything is working fine. So let's change the name of it on the dash. So here is we'll change it like total views. Similarly in the second sections there is total comments. Similarly in the third there is a total post. Let's define it as a total post. So finally it's working fine now. So we have finally done with this dashboard sections. Let's do with this blog post, and here is the blog sections, dash base and dash blog sections. Okay, and from there it is the image sections, and this is a contact section. Okay, from here we will define it for post in post, and here is the end. For we have finally created our loop. So now define this image section, post dot image dot url. Okay, this is our title section. Just remove it and define here post dot title. Just don't need this, so remove it. This is our post dot date, and this is our post dot author. This is our post dot views, and this will be total comments. So post dot comments dot count. Okay, finally we have also done with the block sections. I think we don't need this chat section, so just remove it from here. Now modify in comment section. Then okay, so here for comment, and in the views function I think we have defined comment as a all comments. So let's define it here, all comment, and this is our info sections. Okay, now this is the username, so it will display the comment dot name, and this is the post name, so we'll define here comment dot post. Similarly, this is the date section. We'll define it here comment dot date, and this is a comment section, so we will here just rough it, display the comment what the user have commented here. We'll just display it here comment dot comment. Okay, so if the user have not verified the comment section, then it will not show it here. So for it, let's define it if not comment is approved, then we will not show it here, so that wording moderation will be show it there, and we don't need this. From here, let's put it. So finally we have done with all the things. Let's refresh the page, check it, and in the dashboard block sections we will not define the int block section. So let's check it, dash blog. Okay, we have made a mistake here. We have defined it twice, so that remove it, and let's save it again, refresh the page. Okay, finally everything is working fine. The blog post have already rendered here. Here views is also counting comments, and there 0 views 0 comments. So again refresh it, it's showing the error. Okay, so let's correct it. So just remove this, we don't need this. It will automatically fetch the according to year and date. So let's save it and again refresh the page. Finally it is showing again error, stack comment. Okay, I think there's the same issue. Again we are doing the same issue. Okay, let's remove it and refresh it again. Now finally we have done with that. So finally we have done with this dashboard sections. So we also need to authenticate this dashboard sections, because anyone can easily access this dashboard sections. We can, which is very hamper for us. So that let's authenticate this dashboard first. So I will directly connect this dashboard with the Django authentication systems, so that what the username and password we have put in our admin panel, Django admin panel sections, we need to define it here. So let's interconnect this dashboard with that panel. So for this, let's define it on the settings section, and here is our settings sections. Let's define it, and here for authentication, let's write a comment for authentication. First we need to define the login URL, admin login. Okay, also define the redirect URL, and also need to define the logout redirect URL. Okay, now let's put the link here. So we finally define it in the settings sections. Let's also define on the view sections. So in every page, if you need to define it here, login required. Okay, just copy and paste it here. Also paste it here, and also paste it here. Also need to define or import our login sections, login required library, so that ours finally work. Again refresh the page. So I think our server is not running well. Just kill this terminal. Let's start it again. Python -.py run server. Okay, again refresh the page. Okay, finally it's working fine. So if you log in, then it will redirect to our dashboard section. So finally we have seen that how can you create your own professional dashboard like this. This is just a demo. You can customize your admin dashboard according to your need and demand. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels. Thank you for watching the video. Keep coding and keep watching.